Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Put your hand up if you love cookies. I love cookies, they are my favorite sweet treat. So over the next 5 weeks, I'm gonna share my current top 5 cookie recipes with you. You are definitely gonna wanna make every single one of these. To kickstart this series, we are starting with one of my all-time favorite foods. It's a brownie in a cookie form. We are making a white chocolate chunk brownie cookie. It's ooey, it's gooey, it's delicious. I'm so excited. Let's get started. This is a super easy recipe. I love making these for a cozy night in watching Harry Potter. So we're gonna get started with some vegetable oil or canola oil or coconut oil even. It's going straight into our bowl here, along with some caster sugar, some vanilla extract, and then I've got 2 eggs that I'm just gonna crack straight in. Now we're gonna give this a little whisk. Super. Then I've got some salt, and I'm gonna sift in some baking powder, cocoa powder, and some plain flour. Then you can just push through the last little bits of cocoa powder lumps you get there. Awesome. Now we're just going to mix it together with a wooden spoon. Now I've chosen to go with oil instead of butter for these brownie cookies because we want them to be really, really moist. So often butter adds lots of flavour, but oil helps keep things really, really gooey in the middle. Now this is quite a wet dough because we're going for ooey gooey brownie cookies. And next I've got some really good quality white chocolate here that I've roughly chopped. I love the smell of white chocolate. Right, we're just gonna mix this in. So our chocolate is all nicely mixed in. Now we're gonna glad wrap this whole bowl and pop it in the fridge for an hour. Now putting it in the fridge is gonna help develop some of the flavor, and it's also gonna make it really nice and easy to roll them into balls. Perfect, we'll pop this in the fridge, then we'll be back to roll it, to bake it, and to eat it. Our cookie dough is out of the fridge. I've got the oven preheating to 190 degrees Celsius, and now it's time to roll them. I'm gonna weigh each one as we go because I don't want anyone having a bigger cookie than me. So I'm gonna go for about 85 to 90 grams per cookie, and I'm hoping to get 10 out of this. Roll it into a ball and pop it straight onto a tray. Perfect. Now these are going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, these smell amazing. So they've been in the oven for 10 minutes, and then I've just let them sit in the trays for 10 minutes just to cool down a little bit, but they are still warm and gooey in the middle. Now, if you find yours are a little bit domey when they come out the oven, it's okay. It's probably just they were a little bit cold going in. You can use the back of a wooden spoon just to push them down gently so you get nice, big, round cookies. But now it's time to try one. I'm so excited. They smell amazing. Oh yeah, they are so gooey in the middle. They are so delicious. It's just like a brownie in a cookie. If you ever go out making this, guys, send me a photo over on Instagram. Otherwise, I'll see you next week Can you guess what cookie we're gonna do then? See ya! It's so good!